Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert your PDF document to Miss Word file. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, as you can see, this is my PDF document. So open Miss Word. Then go to Open Other Document and click on Computer and go to Browse. Now select your PDF file and open it. Then you will see this message and press OK. So now Mrs. Word is converting our PDF. Yeah, as you can see, it converted to Word. So this is how you can convert your PDF to Word. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.